Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. Okay. How to resolve SSL certificate errors? I will show you. First, first we need to create KDB RDB stage and enable the load modules. See, yeah. Now, first create keystore and stash and RDB. Next, enable load enable SSL load modules and assign assign port number per get server 3443 or 5443. Okay, this is the requirement and access the IHS server that is running. The server running or not, verify later. If any SSL handshake errors will be arise, will add self-signed certificate into IHS KDB. Later, we will access the IHS with 5443 port number. Okay, this is how this only this today. This is the requirement. Okay, this is our requirement. Okay. We will see how to create KDB and RDB stats. Go to IHS2 is equal to slash OPT IBM HTTP server bin run following comments dot slash gsk cmd hyphen kdb okay, hyphen kdb hyphen create hyphen db opt ibm http server. I created one folder SSL in that ihs.kdb. Okay. After that, create folder SSL under OPT IBM HTTP server under this mkdir SSL and chmod -r 775 SSL. Okay. Hyphen type. There is so many types. CMS, JKS, JCEKS, and PKCS12 hyphen PW. Webas is the default password. It will be under security.xml hyphen expiry 365 days hyphen stash. Okay. This is the command to run IHS to create RM space RM SSL. I deleted folder. Now I am freshly created mkdir SSL chmod -r 775 SSL. Now I will go to IHS bin dot slash gsk cmd. My server is running. Number not secure. Okay. See, I will make it as secure 5443. Okay. How it will be shows. I hyphen key database hyphen create hyphen db opt ibm server cell under this ihs.kdb. Okay. This is the path where we need to create ihs dot kdb ipw webas or was admin you can give. Okay, no issues reported. Hyphen type cms. Okay, hyphen type cms hyphen expiry 365 days hyphen stash. This is the command to creating KDB in IHS level. I will in depth explaining each and every element dot slash gsk cmd is the script to creating key databases. Okay. Hyphen create hyphen delete hyphen list. You can use this. Okay. Hyphen type hyphen type. We can make it as CMS or JKS or JCEKS or PKCS12. Can you hyphen PW webas in that security.xml. The webas password will be triggered. Okay. After this, hyphen expiry 365 days is the minimum expiry of the certificate. Hyphen stash. Hyphen stash. Here KDB password will be stored under the stash. Hyphen RDB. This is stored KDB related information, that is relational database. Relational database. How? After this, enabling SSL load modules in the http://d.conf. Okay. Same thing. I will go to cd conf. I am taking backup of the backup. So now, now I am going to SSL load module. This is SSL load module. I am enabling the SSL load module. I remove tag add. Okay. 5443 is our requirement. All port numbers configured under here virtual host.xml 5443. Now I am enabling the SSL. Okay, virtual host key file. I am loading this SSL ihs.kdb. After this, enabled. This is clear, right? Now, where is 8082? That is, you can disable listen port number already enabled, right? 8082 n press. Now here I will add 5443 is the port number and assign the IP address or server name. Okay, this is the thing. After this, go to console, DMGR console. We can trigger, we can enable, and we can here 5443 is the port number. I will show one new concept here. After this, save changes. Okay, save changes. Now I am configuring virtual host, environment virtual host. Under that default host, press default host. Under the host alias, here adding 5443 is the port number. Review and save changes. Here virtual host.xml is updating the file. New here 192.168.88.144. Here 5443 have a review and save changes. So after this, I am restarting the server by using Apache CTL-K start. I am stopping. Yes. So I am running 5443 port number. Net stat hyphen n pipe symbol grep. Y443 is a listening or not verifying listening. Okay, any port number are using. You can see no port number. No, yeah, only 2752 is the port number. What is 2752? IPS hyphen F pipe symbol grep 2752 and 2756 IHS and 2756 IHS. Okay, no issues occurred. Why this command I entered means any port number is using 5443 except IHS, it will be trigger. Now I am accessing the application. So sorry, I'm accessing. Okay, now I am accessing 5443 port number IHS. Just IHS. Sorry, I mistyped it. HTTPS 192.168.88.144.5443 is the port number. See, connection is not secure. SSL hands. I am verifying the logs. Tail space hyphen 10f SS log. See, 404. Okay, now I am verifying tail space hyphen 10f error log SSL handshake. See, 1627 427. See, 427 SSL handshake. See, there is no certificate. Okay, why this issue is happened? I am not able to create the certificate. So that is the reason to create the certificate and adding to the IHS.KDB issue is resolved. Okay, there is no issues at all. This is the issue. SSL handshake in the real time also. It will same thing happen. I am accessing now. I am accessing my application 429, right? Now see 429 SSL handshake. This is my IP address. I am accessing the 5443. This is client IP address. Okay. Client accessing the browser. This is the browser IP address. I am verifying CMD IP config if config. See 128, 168, 88.1. See IP4 address 192, 168, 88.1. Say same thing. It will trigger IP4. Okay. This is the way SSL handshake issue is arised in the real time scenarios. How to achieve this? We can add certificate in the high, create the certificate and add same certificate in the KDB. I will show you how to add the certificate. I written notes. I prepared the notes for this. See, previously I have using this command. Port number is already used. See, already used port number. For this, I will enter 3443 port number. I killed this. It was successfully running IHS. No issues is reported. Okay. I am creating the certificate. LMS is the organization, or we can use middleware as the organization. We can use. See, I will use here middleware, middleware technologies. I will use middleware technologies.com, or I will use small letters. Okay. This is the script. State Delhi, location Delhi, country India, signature algorithm SHA 256 with RSA. Same thing I configured here in my servers. Shift to insert middleware technologies.com with the organization. This is middleware technology organization. Wait 2 more minutes. Without adding any certificate, you cannot access the IHS. Okay. Later, we can extract the root certificate in the DMGR under security, under SSL certificate or management, under default trust tool. You can add the certificate, extract and add the plugins. Then application is accessing the secure by using 5443 port number. This is the real-time interview question. How to verify SSL handshake errors? You can verify in the logs. SSL handshake error, there is no certificate or expired certificate. It will shows in the error log and access logs. Access log, there is 408 error is found. Why 408 error means request timeout errors. Okay, request timeout error. I will verify. See, I will show in the console what is 408 request to timeout. See, request to timeout error in the console. See, HTTP status code 408 request timeout client error is returning by the server to indicate request is coming is too slow or from the client unwilling to wait. It will terminate the connection or idle the connection. Okay. How to resolve 408 issues? By adding the certificate. See, 408 port conflict, 410 gone, and 411 length required. Each and every say 405 method not allocated, 406 not acceptable, 407 proxy authentication is required, 408 request timeouts. These are the status codes. 500 internal server error, 501 not implemented, 502 bad gateway, 503 service unavailable or unable to handle the request, 504 gateway timeout, 505 HTTP version not supported, 506 variant also negotiation and insufficient storage, 507 there is no storage, it will show insufficient storage, 508 loop detected, everything, permission policy, 511 network authentication errors, 510 not extended. These are the error status codes. Okay, these are the error status codes. Sorry, I forgot dot in the before GSK CMD. That is no such file and dot is directory. In the Linux, dot is the current directory. It will be syntax. Okay, syntax errors. After this, we can set as a default certificate. Okay, okay. Now I am verifying dot slash GSK CMD hyphen set hyphen list hyphen DB OPT IBM H server SIHS dot DB. Okay, this is the script command we can use. Password is webas IHS set. Now I am restarting Apache. Now I am hyphen yeah pipe sim HTTP not running slash TTL hyphen K start. Now I am accessing 5443 port number application. Sorry, server. See, 5443 port number. I am verify. I am zoom it. See, 5443 port number. I am accessing. Okay. Before accessing, we can show errors. SSL handshake error we can resolve by using adding the certificate and the HS.kdb. Okay. Now I am going to the certificate. Now issue is resolved. Okay. Now issue is resolved. We can access the application. Now we can access the application planner to access the application. Yeah, it shows error. Now we can one point we need to identify. Okay. Here generate and propagate the plugins is not there. We can verify. See IHS load module. We can add IHS load module enable 22 by you. I have sample HTTP d.conf is there. This we can add this. Now I am going to the console. Go to web server definition. Very, very important. One of student asked it that was I remembering the concepts. Okay. See, this is generate the plugins. and propagate the plugin. Shift to insert. Suppose this plugin cfg.xml cp space plugin vim plugin. There is URI is there, universal resource indicator. All context root master should be enabled here. This is J session ID is created. In the J session ID, client ID is created. In the ID consists of some of the properties are there. The properties securely transferring to the database. Transferring to the database, either Oracle or whatever it is, by using J session ID. After 30 minutes, automatically terminated by using J session ID. It's not empty, not used. Okay. This is the context root of my web server definitions applications. Okay. This is URI. This is virtual host. Okay. This is server cluster, test cluster, one test cluster. In the test cluster, you can use logging enabled is the false trace. You can use hoops like that. We can verify. Okay. Now, this point of time, click particular. Okay. Wait one more time. Go to the security. Go to SSL certificate and key management. Go to the key store and the certificates. Go to the default trust store and click signer information. Select and extract slash temp root hyphen extract dot crt. After that, go to the web servers. Click web servers. Under this, select plugin properties. I am pressing copy web server key store directories. Okay. This is a directory. This is a plugin KDB directory. I am adding this. Now I am adding the certificate. Root certificate. Where root certificate? ls slash tmp root hyphen dot crt. Okay. In this same certificate, we can add under plugin key.kdb dot slash gskcmd hyphen create hyphen yard. This is kdb hyphen. This is certificate. EW webas hyphen label root hyphen cert dot crt. Okay. This 3650. And suppose I forgot hyphen db no expiring certificate. Okay, you create like this. Okay, sorry, hyphen set. Sorry, hyphen set, not certificate. Create. Already added. Now I am removing the certificate dot slash GSK CMD hyphen set hyphen delete hyphen DB hyphen webas. Deleted dot slash GSK CMD hyphen set hyphen list hyphen DB PW webas is the certificate. Okay. Now I am generating CS, generating plugins, generating plugin and propagate the plugins. After that, I have one certificate is there. In the certificate, you can configure. Okay, I am adding third party certificate. Okay, I am adding the third party certificate. Go to store. Go to signers. I am adding the certificate. Root. Root certificate. Digicert. This is root certificate. I am adding Digicert. Okay. Same thing we can configure under plugin KDB. Select and extract slash tmp slash dgsat underscore root. Okay. Same. Sorry, wait. Dot cert. Okay. Can you add it? Digicert root certificate is added in the plugin KDB. I am searching. Okay. There is root cert is there. Can you add a dg certificate? Okay. What is root certificate? This is the root cert. Okay. Now, now I am restarting. Now I am starting the DMGR and DMGR is started. I am starting the application servers. Dot slash synchrono dot it. Or I can use 192.168.88.144 19005. Like that. See, application is accessing 5443. I am adding third party certificate root DigiCert. See, CDSSL. We have third party certificates are there. CD, DMGR, CDSSL. We have DigiCert. How to verify certificate is expired or not? By using OpenSSL command. Open SSL X509 stands for, I will explain one by one. Hyphen in, okay, no out, hyphen text, hyphen dates, hyphen and date. See, see, DigiCert, entering. Okay, now I removed the now now I removed this. It is not required. You cannot use. Why it's not required, right? So I have deleted like this. Okay. Before doing this, I'll take backup security and all the thing. I forgot. Okay, take backup. I will write it here. This enable load module 22 and propagate the plugins. Plugin. Okay. After this, extract root certificate in the DMGR and added in our plugin key.kdb. Okay. After this, restart the IHS web server. Application is accessing 5443. This is the port number. Okay. Five double four three port number. This is login page. See login page. Enter. JSV error 500. Server down. Means this is a duplicate. Okay. That way it will XML is not there. It will show you. Okay. Please check application server logs for details. Okay. This is servlet exception. Okay. we can contact application development team to issue reason. Okay. This is the we have recently resolved the issues. No issues is found. No certificate issues. Okay. Issues file not found. File not found issues. 5443. Okay. Hail space hyphen 100 See 200 request. Get 200 request. 200 request. Okay. This is my client IP4, my computer IP4 address. Okay. 13 means 1 o'clock. My day now is 4:59. It will see 5 o'clock only 1 minute. Okay. Like this, we can any issues, we can troubleshoot. SSL handshake error also we can troubleshoot. Okay. If any issues, contact me in the chat, in the live chat. I am waiting until if any issues, I am waiting 5 to 10 minutes. Any issues, please reach out to me in the after chat. Okay, please share to your channel, my channel to your friends, your family members. May be helpful to others. Okay, thank you for watching this. I am stop the sharing. I am my video is already recorded. I am uploading the recording video in my videos tab. Okay, please share to your friends and family members. Those who are learning the WebSphere application server as a entry level, you can reach out to me. We will guide how to clear the interviews. Okay, how to remove the fear while while attending the interviews. We will guide and we will place the companies. Okay, thank you for reaching out my channel. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are learning freshers or experienced and may be helpful to others. Okay, I am stopping.